to all you square body lovers out there. This is Brandon coming to you from the Flatline Garage. This truck bed came off a 1973 GMC two-wheel drive half-ton. It is a rust-free Arizona bed. And I have the grill also. But what's unique about this truck is it has a factory wood bed. I've done some research a little bit. There's companies that make them, but they don't look like that. I've never seen one other than this one. Everybody that I know has never seen one. Let me know what you guys think.